Welcome to selecting the best cat food for your lovely cat. Purr-fect Picks 2024. Selecting the right cat food is crucial for your feline friend's well-being. Your lovely cat deserves a diet that's not only tasty, but also rich in essential nutrients to maintain its health and happiness. When choosing the best cat food, look for premium ingredients, proper protein content, and a reputable brand. Cater to your cat's unique needs with a balanced diet that promotes optimal health. Remember, a well-fed cat is a content and energetic companion. Feeding your awesome cat involves more than just filling a bowl with pet food. Each cat is unique and deserves a diet that supports their health, energy, and longevity. To tailor the perfect meal plan, understand what your cat truly needs for a full and vibrant life. Cats require a mix of protein, fats, and other nutrients to maintain their health. Taurine, an essential amino acid, supports their heart and eyes and is found only in animal tissue. Vitamins, minerals, and water are crucial as well for a balanced diet. Look for a complete and balanced stamp from the Association of American Feed Control Officials, AAFCO, on cat food labels. The ingredients list reveals a lot too. High-quality sources should rank first, pointing to a protein-rich diet. Wet food is hydrating and often more enticing for cats, while dry food is convenient and great for dental health. Yet balance is key, and some experts suggest a mix of both for optimal health. Cats, just like humans, can have allergies. It's important to recognize the signs of allergies and sensitivities. Choosing the right food can help manage these conditions. Ingredients like beef, dairy, and wheat are common culprits. Before changing your cat's diet, consult a vet for expert advice. They can perform allergy testing, provide diet recommendations, and offer follow-up care to ensure your cat's health. Cats have different nutrient needs at different life stages. From kittens to seniors, learn about the specific nutritional requirements to keep your cat healthy and happy. Kittens need a diet rich in protein, fats, and vitamins to support their rapid growth. Look for food labeled specifically for kittens with essential nutrients for bone growth, muscle development, and immunity. For adult cats, a balanced diet is essential to maintain overall health. Find a formula that sustains their body condition, balancing proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Senior cats have unique dietary needs, requiring fewer calories but nutrient-rich food. Supplements like glucosamine can be beneficial for joint health. Tailor your cat's diet to meet their unique needs. Whether it's weight management foods, prescription diets for health issues, or organic and natural options, there's a variety of cat food to keep them purring happily. Hey there, cat lovers! Are you ready to discover the secrets to finding flavors that your feline friend will absolutely adore? Let's dive into the world of trending flavors in cat food. From classic seafood like tuna and salmon to exotic mixes such as turkey and cranberry, the options are endless. But taste isn't everything. We'll explore how to balance your cat's taste preferences with essential nutritional elements like protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Discovering your cat's favorite flavors is all about trial and error. Sample packs, close observation, and food rotation are key to finding the perfect match. And it's not just about regular meals. We'll also discuss healthy treat options like baked salmon pieces and dietary supplements such as fish oil and probiotics. Remember, a well-fed cat is a happy companion. Trust your instincts and pick a diet that ensures your awesome cat thrives for years to come.